Hey guys, so I am interrupting the holiday decorating videos with another fun video. If you've seen my Instagram or in my Facebook group, you will know what this is. This is the 2019 Christmas Box Spectacular. So I'm very much a surprise person, but not everybody is. So we're gonna do an unboxing. Before I get started, I'm giving big spoiler alerts just in case you do happen to be someone who prefers the surprises, like me. So if you are, it is time to turn this off. Otherwise, let's go through it and you'll see what all the fun goodies this year are getting shipped out. They're going out today. So if you've already ordered, you should have your box in 3-ish days, I think. I think that was the longest time frame that I saw listed for when I was doing the labels. So you get on your box, you get this, first of all, you get this adorable little gingerbread guy, and they're all different. So let me zoom in just a little bit here. There we go. They're all different. So this just happens to be the one that I've got right here. You get this adorable little gingerbread guy that if you would like, you can use him as a little planner charm. That's what I plan on doing. I plan on using this on my TN as a little planner charm. You can either replace this string with a little hook, or there's ways that you can tie this on. So anyway, you get this great little guy. Now let's open up the package. You might be a little zoomed in too much now. Let's open up what you'll be getting in your package. So, okay, so first off, you get this kind of good weighted semi-gloss. Not quite a postcard, but you can use it in your TN for decorating. Hold on, let me. I would show you what's here, but there is a code for a free Lights Planner Action insert. So I can't show you the include list because you'll see the code. And you only get the code if you buy it, but that's one of the cool things that's coming in the box is the coupon for the free insert. I mean, hey, you get to pick out whatever you like and whatever is gonna work best for you. So I am gonna start with the best first. All of my boxes and my Christmas box included always come with a treat, and I'm about to really butcher this. So I tried these and they're really yummy, so I wanted to make sure everybody got one. I think it's a stroop waffle. Stroop waffle, yeah. So it's kind of, it's like a waffle cone with a filling, and there's a variety that'll go out. So some have caramel, some have chocolate. They're really good. And then a peppermint bark chocolate piece from Ghirardelli, and some hot cocoa. So I can see throwing the hot cocoa in a mug. I like, you know what I do with these? I put this in my hot cocoa. So it makes it a peppermint hot cocoa. And then I stir it up, and then these you're supposed to, it says to, well, it doesn't say here. It says you're supposed to warm these with your mug. So put them on the edge of your mug and warm them up. So this is a nice little Christmas treat, all in a bag. The next thing I always have in my boxes is something that's not planner, but it's for you. And this year I got together with Lisa V Creation, and she blended 2 different lip balms for me. One is this gingerbread, and the second is this mint cocoa. and they smell amazing. So this is the little treat for you, and it's from Lisa V Creations. Very, very yummy. I think this is just the right amount to last through the holidays. Next up, I apologize, it's a cloudy day here, so we've got great sun and then it disappears. Okay, next up is 2 rolls of the gingerbread washi from Simply Gilded. This is the Stardust, and she made this to work with the box. It's not an exclusive, but we did discuss when I was putting the box ideas together. So you get 2 different rolls of that. That's like, I think this is an $8 value. I haven't been telling you values. I'm not sure how much Lisa charges for these, but my guess would be somewhere in the $3 to $5 range for 2 of these. And then you get this adorable little gingerbread man clip, and this is from Fox Family Farm. It used to be Rhonda's Planner Accessories. She doesn't do the felties anymore, but she does still do them for my boxes when I ask, which is very, very nice. Love her. So you'll get this cute little guy here. He's about a $4 to $5 value. And next you get a set of die cuts. There's one other thing in here from Rhonda, and I just kind of packaged these together, but I'll show you them. So the other thing that you're getting from Rhonda is a gingerbread vinyl that you can put wherever you'd like. You can put this on an ornament or on a notebook, whatever you'd like, and there's a variety in here. So this happens to be the one in this pack, but there's a variety available. And then you get 8 sticker die cuts. So they've got that pretty sparkle on top of them. They're about 3 inches at their max size, and they are printed on sticker paper, so if you want to stick them down, they're really easy to do. So you get this snow globe, this gingerbread house with a wintertime mug. I'm not sure you can actually see the sparkle on there very well. And you get, so the box is in 3 different colorways, so you get 3 from each. So you get this cute little assortment of candy and cookies. And then from the other colorway, you get this big gingerbread guy, a floral with some minty looking candy canes, and a crocheted knit stocking. And I really think that the colors between these 2 go well, so you can do a lot of mixing and matching because there is complementary colors in both sets. So those are the die cuts and the vinyl that you're getting. The next thing you're getting is this sparkly frosty pin in a deep brown. This color reminded me of gingerbread. A deep brown pin holder, and it is silver sparkly pin. This reminded me of winter, and kind of how, the snow, it has those little sparkle points to it. So this reminded me of winter snow. So you get the pin. We got a sampler from Birds, upside down. We got a sampler from Birds Fly Studio with some more gingerbread items on it. So that was nice of her. I'll do the stickers last. And then you get a pack of 8.5 by 11 papers and vellum. So these are double-sided papers. Let me open her up and show you. So you get this one with the cookies on one side, and then flip it over and you get this cool wintry plaid color, which is really cool. And then the second page, you get the little frosted cookies with the gingerbread man and stockings, a cool pattern. And then these beautiful, I think they're poinsettias, on a plaid background that you can use on that side. So you get those two, and then you get 2 pieces of vellum. So this is the scene with all the cookies in the big globe. So if you fold it over, and if you're cutting down for B6, you've got plenty of room to cut around that, and that would fit there. And then you get these stockings with the gingerbread guy in them. So those are the papers and the vellum that you're getting. And last but not least, the stickers. So last year I did a full-size set of 1 colorway sticker. And this year, as I showed you with the die cuts, I went with 2 different colorways. And I did more mini kits. So you get 4 pages plus a deco sheet of each, and then 1 set of date dots. So starting here with the deco sheet, you get all these cute little guys, and then that one is a big wide one. I think it's like 3 inches, so you can span a big space with it. I love having those ones that go across boxes so that you can spread it out a little bit. So you're going to get 2 different colorways of the same kind of stickers. So this is your first page with your cute little weekend banner with all the great gingerbreadness, and your date headers, your checklists. And these have been formatted. I'm in the middle of changing some of my formats of things. I no longer have the flag at the bottom. So these used to be flag checklists, and now they're just checklists. And you get a little movie marquee type thing, what's going on this week, a habit tracker, and some icons. This is one of my newer stickers that comes on my kit, and it is a little book so you can mark what you're reading or something. Page 2 is all the fun washi. So you get the thick one, the really thick one, and this continues, so you can put these right next to each other. This little heart matches up with this heart here, so it's a continuous. So you got the gingerbread chunkiness, and then you've got the plaid, and then little bitty gingerbread guys, and then some single strips of washi. Page 3 is your to-dos, your weekly box, some half box check boxes, another half box, some mini check boxes, and a bunch of words that you can use however you'd like. And then page 4, this is like the money shot other than the washi. This is all of your full boxes and deco boxes. And look at that, beautiful, all those beautiful images. I love how the paper picks up color and just shows it so well. And at the bottom, you've got these little decorative headers. They're about the width of a full box and an Erin Condren or a Happy Planner. Speaking of, so you also have the option of getting the Happy Planner size. So the one I'm showing you now is the Erin Condren, but the Happy Planner size is formatted specifically for the taller boxes. The washi is formatted differently because it doesn't have the thick chunky spot on the bottom of the Happy Planner for washi. So that is the date headers That area is bigger, but the bottom is smaller. So you have that option, and it's formatted specifically to work with the Happy Planner. So going into second color scheme, this is a cooler, more like frozen iced option. And you get all those fun details there in your deco sheet. And this is all going to be like blues and silvers. Here's your weekend banner there with some fun candy canes up there, and your gingerbread guy peeking out there, and your book right there. The sun just went behind the clouds. Okay, so you got your date headers, your check boxes, page 2 with your beautiful washi. So it's got the plaid behind it with this row of poinsettias. And then, do you say poinsettia or poinsettia? I hear it both ways. I don't know which one's right. Then you've got a strip of snowflakes, and then this cool geometric kind of look. I don't know what to call that pattern. If you know what that pattern's called, leave me a comment. And then some individual pieces of washi. Page 3 is your to-dos and a bunch of boxes. Your weekly with the cute little buttons from the gingerbread guy. And I don't know about you, but I overplan myself, so I end up using these guys. I love them. And then the full boxes, and look at those beauties. For your extra little, you have a row of cookies and poinsettias down there. So that's everything in the box. Let me bring it all back together so you can kind of get a feel of everything. You get the papers, all the stickers, the vellum, the die cuts. This year you get some vinyl, some gingerbread vinyl, the beautiful pin. Put that baby up there, that beautiful pin there. The Simply Gilded washi. Look how well that just blends with everything there. The lip gloss, the sampler from Birds Fly, the clip, and the yumminess. Oh, almost forgot this little guy over here too. And your little charm. So I hope you love it all. There are a few boxes left. So if you're interested, the link will be down in the description information. There are only a few boxes, and like I said, they start shipping today. So if you are interested, it's approximately a $75, $85 value with everything. And it is a $65 box, same price as last year. So I hope you enjoyed it, and back to your regularly scheduled Christmas decorating videos come tomorrow. Thanks everybody. Bye-bye.